De La Salle University is a school established by the Spaniards. That's according to action star and Duterte supporter Robin Padilla. He said this in a statement defending Senator Bongo's claim that Lapu-Lapu was a tausug. In his defense of Go, Padilla slammed a netizen by questioning her educational background. This led the high school Philippine history movement to correct Padilla's declaration. The history advocacy group clarified Americans established DLSU. The group stressed it was not established during the Spanish colonial era or by Spanish friars. Netizens slammed Padilla. Some tweets mentioned his wife, Mariel Rodriguez. The TV host is a graduate of DLSU.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.